Our introduction video briefly covered what HACCP means and what the goal of the formalized plan should be: the production and delivery of a food product that is safe to consume. This video will identify the preliminary items that need to be covered as you begin to develop your plan. It is important to recognize that the success of your plan is dependent upon the prerequisite programs or preliminary actions that are or should be currently in place. Most of these are the current practices that your organization is already following to help ensure that your food product is kept safe. Your HACCP plan may contain bits and pieces of your current processes after reviews, all in an effort to keep your food product safe while under your span of control. But your prerequisite programs should be established and managed separately from the HACCP plan and regularly audited. To give you an idea of what a preliminary or prerequisite step is, we will briefly review some of the more common steps, and although not nearly comprehensive, it should provide you with enough details to give you an idea of what these items are and why they are important. One key primary or preliminary step for a HACCP plan to be successful is to get complete support from top management. Dedication and commitment to the plan is required from top management and all the way down the management chain. Such commitment can be seen by employees who, in turn, sensing their responsibility in keeping the food safe, will more likely adhere to the principles provided in your plan. With everyone on board to support the plan, chances of it being successful are greatly improved. Since each segment of the food supply chain is different, each segment will have their own specific requirements and prerequisite programs in order to protect the food while it is under their span of control. CGMPs, or Current Good Manufacturing Practice regulations, as well as the FDA's Food Code, provide an outline for organizations to follow to ensure that their systems, processes, and facilities are properly designed and monitored. Some facilities adopt additional proprietary policies or practices that are meant to increase the wholesomeness of the food, but as long as the food products are safe and all required regulations and policies are followed, these additional practices are not required. A sampling of prerequisite programs or steps would include having facility location and design flow diagrams available. The flows should show that the food product moves in a linear fashion and in such a way as to reduce cross-contamination possibilities. Facility and production equipment. These should be constructed, installed, and maintained according to sanitary practices. Product formulations and recipe specifications. These should include how to handle all the ingredients, and this should all be documented. Training and personal hygiene. This includes employee education on an initial and continuing basis. This is critical. The training should be documented. The training should include what their role is in the HACCP program, the GMPs that they're affected by, why personal hygiene is important and how it plays a role in food safety, proper cleaning and sanitation procedures, along with other important details. Pest and chemical controls. Non-food chemicals must be documented and stored in their own location, away from the food production area. A pest control program must be properly implemented. For a comprehensive list of prerequisite programs, you can visit the FDA website and complete a search for HACCP. HACCP plans can be for an individual food product or process or used for large-scale unit operations. So depending upon your needs, you would probably want to assemble your HACCP plan team to assist you with confirming your prerequisite programs and ensuring that they comply with all regulatory requirements. This leads us right into the next video, HACCP plan preparation.